days here. So we're just going into town to get the obligatory coffee. Look at our outlook over here. I don't know if I can spin that round. Look at that. We stayed at the Best Western, which was lovely. And the cost for that was about $250 American a night. $250 a night. So that's, you know, it's over $300 a night Australian. Let me tell you, it's so expensive. Anyways, let's go and get coffee and I will tell you who today's tank toppers are and where we're going. Let's hope it's good. Let's hope it at least gets above a 7. Okay, let's get this coffee sorted. Well, while we wait for Damien and his coffee, today's episode, thanks to the following people. Dusty Kunz from the Utah area, and we're going to try and meet up. I'm not sure we're going there now with this change of plans. Cindy Bailey from Cleveland, another USA lady. Judith Burgess from LJ, another USA lady. Thank you so much, guys. Then we have Bill Fisher. Thanks, Bill, from Croydon, Australia. And then, of course, Gordon Beattie, one of my old lecturers at university from the Bega area, beautiful down there, and Mark Roach from Tassie. Thanks, guys. And today's taking care of business is Cheryl Bartley, who runs the Bombshells. Now, Cheryl's from Australia, New South Wales, and often you see those beautiful girls and those motorcycle magazines with the lingerie and everything. Cheryl manages all those. She has some lovely ladies with her as well. So thanks, Cheryl, for that. Let's enjoy today. Beautiful weather again. Just waiting for Damien to get his coffee. It's been a while again. I think he's chatting. Oh no, here he comes.
Well, I had to bloody wait long enough.
I know, I thought you might have been chatting again.
No, I wasn't.
It's just this short start. Or they think they forgot you.
No, I think they forgot me because the people after me got served. Yeah, no.
Oh.
I think they're locals.
Okay, well, with all that effort, let's hope it's good.
Okay.
Did you get a double?
Mm-hmm. Hang on. Let's just make sure. I'll do it this way.
Was it worth the hassle and the wait?
Yep.
Oh, it's a good one.
That's a bloody good coffee.
Okay, this might be our third good one in 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's a shit. That's good coffee.
Oh, Jesus. Is this the best so far?
No, Seattle's the best.
Seattle's still number one.
So, yeah, Seattle's number one. But what did I give Seattle?
You gave it like an 8.5. I can't remember.
Well, I was expecting really.
But yesterday you said I should go back and re-edit that to a 9.5.
9.5 for Seattle.
Yeah.
This will be a 9.
A 9. Okay, it's right up there.
That's a good coffee. Thank
Okay,
you.
this is Coffee and Clothes. We'll give them a plug, even though they sort of forgot your order, but they've been redeemed. Now today, I'm going to talk about where we're going today when I get on the bike, I think. Basically, we're just going to Stanley, which is only an hour away. And do we go through the Sawtooth Ranges before Stanley or after?
No, we go to Stanley, and I think it's between Stanley and Solomon.
And we're staying at Solomon.
Solomon.
Salmon, Solomon.
No, Solomon.
Solomon. We're staying there the night. So in between, we go to Stanley, which is a really cool, funky village.
What as often as I could have.
So we're now in the Sawtooth National Ranges. Absolutely beautiful. It's about I believe we will be climbing to about a 7,000 or 8,000 feet elevation. But I think the reason, obviously, it's called Sawtooth is that they've got these jagged little rocks that come out that look like teeth. And when I get into it, no doubt you will see them. Absolutely perfect day. It's going to reach about 31 or 32 today, as they say, but it's very mild at the moment.
Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. if I made you feel second best.
Where are you from?
How'd you get your bike here?
We shipped them over. Picked them up in Seattle, then we've been riding for 2 weeks now. We've got 3 months on the road.
Well, I got 1 month on. I started in Washington, D.C.
Right. Where are you from? Is that where you're from?
Washington, D.C.
Right. And where are you heading?
I'm going up to McCall tomorrow. Then
Right.
I'm headed back through Montana, and Oklahoma, Missouri,
Oh.
Tennessee.
Yeah, well, we're doing similar. After Sturgis, we go around that way. And we weave our way back to the West Coast.
Well, happy riding.
You too. You take care.
If I made you feel second best. But I'm sorry I was blind.
Wow, look at that. So we're also going to introduce you to Damien's drone footage of the Sawtooth Ranges. We're at some summit.
Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely nights. Maybe I never told you.
Well, here in Sawtooth Ranges, they eradicated bears, apparently, I was reading, so there's no bears in here. The only predator, they say, is now here are wolves. I don't think we'll see any. So a girl's got to have a lipstick on to ride through the Sawtooth Ranges, don't you know?
But I never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that our sweet love hasn't died. Give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. Yeah.
Sawtooth City, gold discoveries on Beaver Creek. In 1879 led to mining activity near here that summer, but major production was delayed until 1886.
Satisfied. Yeah, I'll keep you satisfied.
We're about 10 miles out of Stanley. And I don't know, I have, sometimes when I'm on rides and surrounded by beautiful nature, you know, I think about things, and I guess we all do that, but I've been thinking a lot about my sister who passed away just over a year ago. She was a bit younger than me and lived in Bali. Very clever woman. I don't know, you just have moments. I'm not used to dealing with grief because I've never really lost anyone close to me. You know, sure, grandmothers and that when they've been old, but never something like this. And, you know, we're a family of keeping it all in and not talking about stuff. So we don't openly grieve, you know, we do that sort of shit in private.
Little things I
And I just thought I'd share with you,
said enough. Yeah, but I never took the time.
or share with her, not that I believe in the afterlife and I don't believe in heaven and all that sort of stuff, but I just want her to have a picnic with her. I guess
You were always on my mind.
That is awesome. That is just so cool.
Thank you. So here we are in Stanley, nestled in the mountains. There's the Sawtooth Ranges over there. Fuel station, little grocery store, a restaurant, and something up here, and that's it. So, but here's me thinking, oh, we'd be here for an hour or so having a little exploration, but no, we're not. We'll be in salmon before we know it. Yes?
Maybe.
Maybe?
About it.
You got to try it. It's got a line up. Mind you, it's the only place in town, I reckon, to get a coffee.
Well, they haven't much competition, have they?
Tell me that our sweet love hasn't died. Give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. Yeah, I'll keep you satisfied.
Just stopped at this scenic outlook that overlooks the Salmon River. We're staying at the Salmon City tonight, which is about 180 miles away, so we've still got a good lot of riding to do. It's absolutely spectacular, but that's the river. And Damien's here. He's going to do his second lot of drone footage. Let's have a look, shall we?
Things I could have said and done, yeah, but I never took the time. You were always on my mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell her.
Well, that's
okay.
a cool looking. Is that a Trump shirt?
Yeah.
Wow.
From Texas.
Let's have a look. So what does it say? It says Lobo Del Mar, family owned and operated. And what's that? South Parade Island, Texas. And
Yeah.
Trump. Is this one of the? Is this a Republican thing?
Republican thing?
shirt? Is that
I'm
something?
not
is
really
that-
a Republican.
Right.
I'm a conservative, radical,
Radical
anything.
anything, right?
Do you know which?
Radical.
There's a lot.
It's a good thing they took their guns away from you 30 years ago or whatever it was.
Freddy's.
Yeah, they did. They
That's a
certainly
good
did.
burger.
Well,
You know
it
what?
wasn't too bad.
You know why they took them away?
Oh, well, I know it was after the Tasmanian massacre, the Port Arthur massacre.
Well, they wanted to cut down on
Yeah,
suicides.
coffee can be.
Yeah.
There were too many guys
depending on
shooting
where you're
themselves
from.
and had
Melbourne.
guns.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, you know what they went to? Ropes.
I like my
They?
espresso.
Yeah.
The suicides, they never go
Yeah,
down.
it's tough. Yeah, coffee around the world is
But we
different.
haven't had any
Everybody
mass
does it a
shootings.
little
Oh,
different.
you're right.
No.
Yeah.
And I reckon
Keep you satisfied. Yeah, I'll keep you satisfied.
I have to say, I think this might be the best ride we've had so far. It's just freaking amazing. The road is, there's a few twisties, there's big bends, there's mountains, rivers.
Little things I could have said and done, yeah, but I never took the time. You were always on my mind. Yeah, you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
We've checked in. We can pull up right out front of our rooms. And they've even got wash bays for bikes. So Damien's in heaven. I've parked right in front of the room in the shade. Get out of my way. Oh, my bed, Damien's bed. This is nice. And a bath again. love the fact that they have baths here. This is nice. This is salmon. It was one of the best rides ever coming into here. To really good. Which way, love? I got no idea about directions. Totally sounds so different when you don't have a helmet on. Now, we wouldn't normally do this, but we're only going a couple of blocks, so yeah, I can hear all the rattling and shit going on in the bike. A broken leather bag that I want to see if you guys could fix for me.
Oh, look at your motorcycle. You got some crazy shit going on there, girl. Leather goggles, huh? Those are cool.
Thank you. So can I show you what I need doing? Or that you could put a bit of strengthening leather there and another hole so I can hook it back in. Yes, no?
Yeah, let's bring that thing in here.
Okay. We're going to the Junkyard Bistro here in Salmon. Grown-up grilled cheese with a bowl of soup. Oh yeah. What? Oh my god, look at the size of them. That's a half size.
Yep.
Half size pasta. Some peanut thing. And a very cranky waitress.
Little things I could have said and done, yeah, but I never took the time.